Hi, friends! Today, we're diving under the sea to meet ocean animals. Let's learn their names together. Verse 1. Dolphin splash, splash dolphin plays. Jumping high in happy ways, smart and friendly in the sea. Swim along and play with me. Verse 2. Fish, little fish go, swish, swish, swish. Swimming fast is what they wish. Big and small, red, yellow, blue, colorful fish, swim with you. Verse 3. Crab, crabby. Crab goes side to side, clappy, claws so big and wide. On the sand he likes to walk, click-clack sounds when crabs talk. Turtle, turtle swims so slow and sweet, flappy flippers, steady feet, long, long life in the sea. Turtle smiles so happily. Verse 5. Shark, shark is strong, swims fast and wide, sharp teeth hiding deep inside. Don't be scared, just swim away. Shark is hunting fish today. Verse 6. Octopus. Octopus has arms, 8 long, wiggle wobble, moving strong, hides in rocks and changes skin. Camouflage helps him blend in. Verse 7. Squid, squid shoots ink and zooms so fast, zooming by as others pass. In the dark, he shines so bright, glowing body in the night. Verse 8. Lobster, lobsters, red with claws so tight, crawling out in moonlight bright. On the seabed, slow he goes, pinchy claws and pointy nose. Ocean animals, come and play, swim and splash the whole day. Learning names is fun with you, under the sea so deep and blue. Wow, we learned so many ocean animals today. Dolphin, fish, crab, turtle, shark, octopus, squid, and lobster. Which one is your favorite? See you next time, friends!
kitten, cute and sweet. It purrs so softly near your feet. But the cow has a calf strong and tall. It drinks warm milk and loves to call. The horse has a foal running fast, galloping by as they trot past. So the duck has ducklings in a row. They swim behind her to and fro. The hen has chicks yellow and bright, licking the ground from morning to night. Though the elephant has a calf so big, it waves its trunk and loves to dig. The giraffe has a calf so high, eating green leaves up to the sky. The lion has a cub fierce but cute, learning to roar, oh what a hoot. The kangaroo has a joey inside, peeking out of the pouch to ride. Monkeys love their babies so, watch them learn and grow. Come and sing along with me, animal families happy and free. Clap our hands and stomp your feet, say their names as we repeat. Puppy, kitten, calf, and foal, baby animals make us whole.
Hello little kids, come and say it's time to sing the papaya way. Yellow, yellow, soft and sweet, papaya's such a yummy treat. Papaya, papaya, yellow and bright, healthy fruit, morning and night. Papaya, papaya, eat and grow strong. Come on kids, let's sing this song. Papaya helps us run and play, keeps us smiling all the day. Full of goodness, fresh and fine, take a bite, it's super divine. Papaya, papaya, yellow and bright, healthy fruit, morning and night. Papaya, papaya, eat and grow strong. Come on kids, let's sing this song. Allie, the little kids, come and say it's time to sing the papaya way. Yellow, yellow, soft and sweet, papaya's such a yummy treat. Papaya, papaya, yellow and bright, healthy fruit, morning and night. Papaya, papaya, eat and grow strong. Come on kids, let's sing this song. Papaya, papaya, yellow and bright, healthy fruit, morning and night. Papaya, papaya, eat and grow strong. Come on kids, let's sing this song. Papaya, papaya, yellow and bright, healthy fruit, morning and night. Papaya, papaya, eat and grow strong. Come on kids, let's sing this song.